Today we're drawing Grizelda and Frookie. Frookie's her dog, right? Okay. Okay, let's start with their eyes. Okay, let's do it a little bit smaller this time, okay? Okay. Can you do that? Then we're going to draw the eyes on the inside. Just a little bit smaller. We'll fill in the eyeball, okay? It's a oval. And underneath that, we're going to draw a small smiley mouth, okay? Small. And then we'll add eyelashes, short and curvy. Now we're going to try drawing her face again, okay? So remember, half the oval here. So I'm going to draw my face here. Okay, this is part of the top of her hair, okay? So we're going to draw one line here. And then here, we're going to draw this line, not too long, okay, short. And then we're going to do a small, narrow triangle, small triangle. Skinny triangle. And we're going to go over her eye. Okay, go a bigger triangle, okay? And we'll draw again, over her head, stop, triangle. Skinny triangle. Then we'll draw one more line to the edge of her head and connect it. We're going to draw the side of her hair here. Okay, not too high, okay? Here, we're going to connect this with a curve. Here we go. On top of that, there's one more line. This is going to be a skinny line, okay? Skinny wave. She has her crown on top of her head, okay? So we're going to do a small crown here. It's 3 triangles. Okay? And then her hair is very, very long, okay? So her hair, we're going to do from here, yes. We're going to curve down. Wait until I'm done, Charlotte. Okay? And we'll do the same thing on this side, okay? This side is going to curve out, and then we're going to curve in, and then curve out. Now we're going to draw her neck. Small rectangle. She wears a necklace with circles, like pearl necklace, okay? So circles around, 5 circles. And then her shoulder are round. So we're going to draw 2 circles here. And another one here. And then her body comes down like this. Connect it with a straight line. So watch this, Charlotte. Here's her skirt, okay? She's got a poofy skirt.
Pretty is the dress, not a skirt.
Okay, the skirt part of her dress is poofy, okay? And now we're going to connect to the middle. So watch this. It's like a leaf. We're drawing a leaf, but we stop there. And then we're going to connect the other leaf. In the bottom of her dress is a bunch of waves like this. Okay, and go up. Okay. And we're going to draw her arm, okay? Her arm goes on her skirt. Just like true. So that's Grizelda. And now we're gonna draw
Frookie!
Frookie. Frookie's kind of like a cloud. He's a puffy dog, okay?
Puffy.
So, okay. So we're gonna start from the top of his head. We're gonna draw a straight line across on top. Straight. Okay, stop. And we're gonna curve down. Curve down here. Same length. On the bottom of his face, we're doing the wavy, just like Grizelda's skirt. Okay, we're gonna do 5 big waves. So now we're gonna draw his eyes. So we're gonna do a squiggly line here. And then under that is a half a circle. Watch first. Half a circle, okay? And then on the other side, we're gonna do the same squiggly line. And then half a circle. And then we'll draw the inside of his eyeball. So we're gonna do that. We'll do the circle, and we'll color in the black part, okay? And we'll do the same thing on the other side. And his nose and his mouth is in the middle. So we're gonna do a dot in the middle. Very good. Can you do a little bit bigger dot? There we go, very good. And do a short line. And then here we're gonna draw an oval. We go up, an oval. And under that, we're gonna draw a short, hey, look, John, short line here. And then underneath that, we're gonna do a tear shape around, that's his mouth, okay? Let's finish his head, okay? So we got ears, curve over here, okay? And then same thing on the other side. And on the top, he has some hair. We're gonna do a neck. This is a rectangle. So fun. And then his body is curvy like this. Pay attention, okay? Kind of like a pumpkin. Now we're gonna draw his front legs. And then the other one is from here. And then we're gonna connect this. And we'll connect the middle with a wavy line. And his hind leg goes sideways like this. The same thing on the other side. Okay, and we'll do a circle here at the tip because that's a foot. And he has a circle on his collar, so we're gonna draw a circle there. Inside is the same crown that Grizelda has. Okay, so that's Frookie and Grizelda. Let's color them. Forgot about the crown on Frookie's head, whoops.